And beyond, where trees come true. Welcome to Disney.
You late for a picnic? Yep, we're off to the park. See y'all. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
I mean, I guess so, Goofy. That does sound like paperwork.
Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together.
Stand by line, walk right in. Thank you.
I like give you a birthday present because it makes Christmas feel less important. It's just George. Let's see what you got.
Welcome. Would you want me to take a device for you? There you go.
It is your time.
Ay, mira los pues mira, aquí está, ya está todo.
Y bueno, me montaría en una montaña rusa por fin.
the high-ridingest, rootin'-tootin'est cowboy hero of all time. At least according to Jesse.
I am Buzz Lightyear. Your mission?
Hello.
So love Vision 3D, if I can make sure everybody at this time is in.
Taking everyone around you, please. Now flash photography, video lighting, or...
Kelsey was I won that side
Serious Planet 4. Whatever your desire, you'll find it on the Naboo. Non-stop flights depart daily, so don't delay. Visit Naboo today.
Oh, maybe not that. One in particular, you just go like this. And I
Yeah, I'm on it. Kasi sa fila niya algunas atracciones, poco, pero mi popi. Mami. Sí. ¿Cómo le gusta?
Thank you for joining the cause. May the force be with us.
Commander Poe.
Hold on to a handrail.
Personnel, this is your final call on board.
I am getting a high reading on the fuel pressure.
special line. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Mira, con cámaras.
Raise the shields.
First order TIE fighters! Reroute!
You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance business.
You have what I want.
Did it work? There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end. An alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoner lost.
No evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
You guys really know how to get close, don't you? Okay, you're clear. Lieutenant back here. Rex, we're live. I suppose so. Great job, recruits.
valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Right this way, nothing to be afraid of. Yeah? Just kidding. A brand new flight. Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. To fly down. Weapons are online. Nothing, but keep looking.
The spy was trapped here, and that she is here.
Just to keep you safe, and all that we ask, ma'am. Sir, you're gonna need to put that thing away. You're making these travel training feel unsafe and unsettled, all right? And it looks like you have minimal, if no training at all right?
You brought me on the word of these travelers. The Resistance will not find shelter here, but I will find the Resistance. Affirmative.
Bye.
Hey, partners! Welcome to the practice game! Okay, who's trying?
Welcome to bring refreshments in with you or
You're so powerful. Well,